the cutting mat and remove the protective paper that's on your mat. Once you have that removed, you're going to use some of the template material that came in your starter kit. I trimmed the template material so it was quite a bit smaller, so it fits the design that I've created for my test. Remove the backing from your template material and place it on your mat, and you want to make sure that that's nice and flat right there on the mat. Then go ahead and open up your Cameo cutter. Here's your blade that actually works with the Cameo cutter. You'll notice there's a little red line on the blade. Place that right in the front of your cutter. There's a little holder for it, and this is where you're going to change the depth of the blade. When you're working with the template material, usually you're going to set your blade somewhere between 7 and 9. I'm going to set mine at 8 for today. Once you have the blade set, you're going to place the blade in the carriage, and you want to make sure it goes ahead and it gets nice seated very well in that carriage. Turn the blue lever so it's held very tightly in the carriage. So now you're ready to load the mat into your Cameo cutter. Simply place that into the cutter and then come over to the control panel on the side of your Cameo cutter. Notice that there's a little dot where it says Load Cutting Mat. Simply press Enter, and that will load the cutting mat into your Cameo cutter. Now you can move the carriage left and right until the blade is actually right above your template material. Now you're ready to send your test design to your Cameo cutter. When you're ready to send your test design to your cutter, all you need to do is export to Crystals and Cutters, change your passes to 1 to 2 passes, and make sure you cut the frame. Then go ahead and simply click Send. Your Silhouette Cameo cutter is now cutting your template. Once your template is finished, you'll notice Unload comes up on your screen. Simply press Enter, and it will unload your mat. Once the mat is unloaded, what you'll see is you have your template as well as the frame cut. Once you've taken your template material off of your mat, you're ready to add that to the template backing material. You can see that presses down very nicely, and now you're ready to